Okay, so we're using Cubase 5 for this tutorial, and what I'm going to do is open up our pool using the Command and P control or Control and P on a PC, and then we've got our audio video folders here. So I'm going to bring in our samples. So I'm just going to go down to Finder, and I'm going to browse to where we downloaded the samples, which you'll have got alongside this course. So we've got our drums and our FX. So I'm just going to expand out the drums, and I'm going to highlight across them all and just drop them into that audio folder. And I want to copy this to the working directory. Click OK. And then the same for the effects. We'll just bring this in as well. Just drop them into the audio folder and copy them in. So we can get rid of the Finder window. So we're going to start off with our drum. So I'm going to go up to the device menu, and I'm going to click on VST Instruments. And then I'm going to add a new drum, Groove Agent 1. And we're going to click Create to assign a MIDI track to that. So I'm going to open up our pool again by using the Command and P control. And we'll just move our Groove Agent out of the way. And then we can actually just bring these samples and drop them into the pads on the left hand side here. So I'm going to bring our kick number 1, our kick number 2, and we'll bring over our crash and our tambourine. And then on the next line we'll bring across our clap, our snare, our closed hat and our open hat. And then on the next line we'll bring our two other hats. So we've got hat 1 and hat 2. And then we'll bring across our vocal sound. And then finally on the bottom line we'll bring our big crash noise, our breaking glass sound, our tom hit, and finally our white noise hit. Okay, so what we're going to do here is actually send these out to different groups as well. So at the minute we don't have the groups set up, but we can send them out still from here, and we'll set it up afterwards. So we've got our output setting here at the bottom right. And I'm going to leave everything on stereo 1 at the minute, and we'll send we'll go for group 2 now, and we'll send our crash out to group 2. Won't be able to hear it, but we can send it out to group 2 for now. And we'll send our clap and our snare out to group 2, and our vocal sound as well. And then our tambourine, we'll send this out to group 3. And our two hats, will send them out to group 3 as well. We're just going to send these to their individual groups so that we can send them to set different reverb settings and things to them. And group 4, we're going to put the main kick on this, so we're going to keep it on its own. We're going to use that for side chaining. And then group 5, we're just going to use the open hat, so we'll set that to group 5. So on group number 1, we've got our big kick drum there, and then we've got our closed hat, and we've got our noise, our glass breaking, and our tom, and our white noise there as well. So if we just close these windows and go to the devices and go to our VST instruments again, and just to the right hand side of the E we can select which of the channels are going to be available. So we're going to select group 2 and number 3, number 4 and number 5. So if you go back into the Groove Agent now, you should be able to hear all these sounds. And if I just move across, you can actually see them coming out of their respective groups. Okay, so that's the drums set up and ready to go, without any mixing obviously. In the next tutorial we're going to set up the individual groups, and we'll program in a quick loop as well for the drums.